Okay, now I have an electric scooter that came to me. See if I can do anything with it. So this is a Mi scooter and it's a pretty different problem. Let me show you. I got it on. It shows walk speed and there's a red light. I don't know if this has been scooter hacked, because let me show you what happens when I try to use this. Let's put some gas on. Like this, it goes 6. Okay, now 15, 16, 17, 18. I don't do anything. It shows the brake 24, 25. Very bad sound. Again 6. Okay, now again. I can't turn this off. Brake doesn't do anything. Okay, this brakes and it starts to... This is odd. I changed the controller and it does this. And I can't turn this off, but it shows the gear as. But no, it won't turn off, and I think the problem is here. Or this. Okay, now we check that. Now I've disassembled this, tried a different throttle. Not working, but there is this. This power button won't work, so I can't get to my Mi app or Scooter Hack or any app because it's not working. So it's this, the display. Something is broken, and it's this one. It's the display and it's 4-pin. I don't have any of those, but we try something else. I think it's the display, and the parts, I think 50 euros, but the bearings here, new tire, this is really bad. New display, bearings, tire, lot of work, but let's get this working. We will change everything. I just got this from the mail. I don't know if this is right one, and this is different. But there's a, how do you change the rotation and if the motor keeps noise, but usually it's just that yellow and blue and green, and then you need to rotate the motor. But we'll change those and wait for the new tire. Change this because the battery has the small one. Okay, now that I've changed that, the problem is this new, this is old, these connectors and these are totally different from these. So I need to take all of these wires and change these. So here is the new display. These are not yet attached, but that sort of thing. Now we could try this power wire. Let's see if I burn this instant. Something is happening. No smoke yet. Let's try. It's on. No fault codes. Okay. Okay, so fuck, these are wrong. So the brake was throttle. Fucking ass. Thank God I didn't put that. Melt those yet. Let's change those. Okay, we try again. Now the wires should be okay, except the motor wire. Okay, it's on. Damn! These are not okay. Only 18. 10. I think the motor is bad. Now it's okay. Light is working and everything, except the rear light. There's Bluetooth and it's on super speed mode and zero start. There. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About there's 20 there, and when I go faster, 23, 26, it starts to sound like that. 28. So I think the motor is limiting it to about 25 before sounding like shit. I changed the bearings and everything, but it doesn't matter. So I think this controller is very good if you put it like board like that or like this one. But we'll go with this now. The backlight, it works from here, off, it's off, on, it's on, and when I push the brake, it blinks. So I just got that wire that goes to the battery and connected it to the controller. So it works too. Everything works, so I think we can put these all now in place, and that's it. There's a sticker, water detected. So it has gotten some water because it's red. Maybe we put some silicone here to protect, and the brakes are too fixed. The wire was almost broken and the pads are very worn, but it's okay now. I changed that scooter name here. I think it was Max because it's a Max controller, and this is Tua app that goes to here. You can put the headlights on, and wait, I'll just connect this again. Okay, now 0 start, levels here, then there's functions, more, and you can adjust the speed limit here. It's a 40, but I'll put it somewhere here because this motor does something. Put all of these limits here. Okay. I didn't register here, so this is just, you can get more functions here. But let me see what happens now. The scooter works, but the accelerate is very slow. I don't know if you register that to that Tua app mini robot, if you can adjust the torque and so on. But we'll see. I'll put one of those controllers to the next scooter and try it there, because the scooter that I fixed already go to the owner. Just wondering if I can adjust the torque, or was the motor broken because of the scooter hack. Don't use those if you don't know what you're doing, because the motors can't handle, or the controllers can't handle that power. It's not designed for that. So we'll try the next scooter. It's bigger motor and so on. But let's see. But I don't know what is this. Do we need this? Fuck. For fuck's sake. Fuck. I will break everything.